Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about chapter 2-6, which is probability, simple probability, and odds. So, probability is the likelihood of an event happening. What probability means is like the probability of flipping a coin or rolling a dice. And to find probability, the formula you're going to need is the total you want to happen. So, I'm just going to put total you want. So, if you want 6 things to happen, you'd put a 6. If you want 5, 4, you put that there. Out of the total outcomes. And an outcome means how many things can happen. And then odds is a little different. Odds is total you want to happen over the total we don't. And then to make a fraction, and then we're going to go from there. So let's just dive into it. The probability of, I'm going to scroll that down. Probability of rolling an even number on a 6-sided dice. So the sample space is how many items there are. So our sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 possible outcomes. So there's 6 outcomes when you roll a dice. Okay. The probability of it being even, well, there's 3 things on there that are even. So there's a 3 out of 6 chance that we will roll an even number. And then you simplify that to 1/2. Okay. Another one, bull has 5 red chips, 7 yellow chips, 7 blue chips, 6 yellow chips, and 10 green chips. 1 chip is randomly drawn. What's the probability it's blue? So there are 7 total blue chips. So how many are blue? 7. How many total? 12, 18, 28 total. So the probability of getting a blue is 7 out of 28, which we can simplify down to 1/4. Okay, another question. A tub is filled with candy. It has 17 Dum-Dums, 15 Mints, 10 Jolly Ranchers, and 4 pieces of Laffy Taffy. What's the probability we get a Jolly Rancher? So there are 10 total Jolly Ranchers out of 32, 42, 46 possible outcomes, which when we simplify that down is 5 out of 23. So there's a 5 in 23 chance that you will pull a Jolly Rancher out of the first one. Now, like I said, odds are a little different. Odds is the total that you want versus the total you don't want, and that's written as a ratio, not a fraction. So what that means is find the odds of rolling a dice with less than 3 numbers. So we just talked about a dice has 6 sides, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are the odds? There are 2 that are less than 3, and there are 4 that are more than 3, or 3. We want less than 3. So that means 2 that we want, and then you do a ratio. So we're going to put a colon to the 4 we don't want. And then we're going to simplify that just like we simplify a fraction. What goes into 2 and 4? So this would be 1 to 2. So the odds are 1 to 2 that you pull or you roll a 3 or less. Okay, same thing with cards. So a card is selected at a random deck of 52 cards. What are the odds of not selecting a 3? So in the 52 cards, there's 4 cards of each type. How many are not, or what are the odds against selecting a 3? So we do not want a 3. So that means there are 4 3s in that total deck and 48 other cards. Meaning if we simplify this, it is 12 to 1. Meaning there are 12 outcomes we do want, and there is 1 outcome we don't want. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully we're getting it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day.